welcome to another episode of Makeup Monday, where we are going to make some soothing face masks. So what you need is going to be right here. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first mask we are going to do is a face mask. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Let's start making a mask. To take out my mint leaves from my minty water that I just made. Okay, that doesn't want to come off. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of glycerin into the water. If I can open it. There we go. There's 2. So now I'm going to mix the glycerin and water together. To take my sheet masks, and I'm going to place it onto my plate and then pour the water on it. Oh boy. Oh. This looks terrifying. Okay, so I got a towel and I put it around my shoulders, and now I'm going to take my mask and put it on. Oh boy. Oh, this is scary. I feel like it's gonna be hot. Oh, it's warm. I can like that. It's falling. No. No, please don't fall. Oh. So now I'm gonna lay back what I'm doing right now, turn on the music, and wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. Okay, so 10 minutes is up. I'm going to peel this off, wash it off, and then pat it dry. Boop. Oh, okay, let's go wash my face. Oh, it's my face. Boo. Honestly, it's pretty soft. Okay, so we just did our face mask, and we didn't treat our lips or our eyes. So I'm going to prepare the eye mask first. Here are the ingredients for the eye mask. Put the green tea bag into the hot water for 3 minutes, let it steep, and then we will prepare the lip mask. There goes the green tea bag. Okay, so we are going to let that steep for 3 minutes, like I said. Now to prepare this little tiny thing. Here are the ingredients for the lip mask. To prepare the lip mask, we have some warm milk and some honey, and we are going to add a tablespoon of honey into the milk and mix it together, and then we're going to mash up the strawberries with a fork. So let's do it. Put some honey into the tablespoon and put it into the hot milk. Well, warm milk. Come on. Okay. I'm going to take my fork and my strawberries and mash them up. Oh my god, the fork is so bent. Okay, so here's our mashed up strawberries. And now I'm going to add them into the milk and the honey that's in there, right? Oh, it flicked it at me. Okay. It looks pretty, but it also doesn't. So now I remove the tea bag. I'm going to put my eye mask into the thing. I'm going to push that down. Okay, so now I'm taking the lip mask and putting it into the other mixture that we made. Okay, now I'm gonna wait 10 seconds. Now that 10 seconds is up, we're gonna take them out and then we're going to put them on. And the only reason I did them together was so it doesn't take up 20 minutes and only 10 minutes. So, the lip one and eye. Just gonna put them on and wait 10 minutes. Oh god. Don't, oh, no.
Ninja Turtle.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Okay, that's all. Relaxation. I think it's going into my eyes.
What?
This is how to shut up your child. Okay, time is up. Ready to peel this thing off. Oh, got my hair in it. Okay. Okay, so I just did a full face of sheet masks. I feel pretty relaxed. And I want you guys to try to do it on yourself, friends, family, brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, really anyone. So join us back next week where we are going to be doing more natural beauty treatments. Bye! What am I doing? Okay. I can't do it. Do I look like a mummy? I sound like an old lady. Okay.